Good morning, Year 3. Welcome to your next science lesson. Today we'll continue our work on forces. We'll be hopefully trying to recognise objects we push and pull, or even objects we push and pull. In our first lesson, we spoke about what a force is. Remember, a force is a push or a pull. A force can make an object speed up, slow down, start or stop moving, change shape, or change direction. In your work today, you'll be drawing things you push, things you pull, and things you push and pull. I've got two examples on the board. I've drawn somebody pushing a trolley, and I've even drawn an arrow showing the direction the force is going. That's an extra challenge for some people today. And I've drawn somebody pulling a rope, and again I've drawn the arrow going towards them because the force is going in that direction. To help you, I'm going to show you a few examples of objects you push and pull, and even some you push and pull. So if you watch very closely, it might give you a few clues to what you can do in your own work. I hope that's given you a few ideas. So in today's activity, hopefully everybody will be able to draw 5 things you push and draw 5 things you pull. And if you can, draw some things you push and pull. As an extra challenge, you could also draw an arrow to show the direction the force is going. And remember, a bigger force would mean a bigger arrow. I've drawn somebody kicking a ball here, so it's quite a large force, so I've drawn a bigger arrow. Just going to show you mine, just up close. If you can, try to draw a very neat picture and see if you can add some colour as well. And just a few words to say what your picture is showing, like I have on the board, but hopefully even neater, and maybe be able to earn a few pluses. I will be available on Google Meet, me or Mr. Woodhouse, if you would like some help or if you have any questions you would like to ask. If you are unable to print it, just have this on the screen and do it straight onto a piece of paper and just keep it as neat as possible. Thank you for watching, Year 3. Hello, Year 3. Each week, me and Mr. Woodhouse will also set you an investigation to do if you have time and you would like an extra challenge. This week, I want you to find out on which surface a car travels the furthest. So you might try pushing your car on wood or tiles, carpet, stones, grass. You can try any surface you have around your house, and you can try and find out which surface the car travels furthest. If you'd like to write it down, you can write it down. If you want to take pictures of you doing the investigation, you can send those in as well if you would like. And do think about, how could you make this test fair? How could you make it a fair test? You don't have to do this, but if you finish the activities from today and you would like an extra challenge, see if you can find out which surface a car travels the furthest. by using the surfaces you have in your house. And if you can write down your results and you would like to send them in, please do send them in to me if you're in 3D or Mr. Woodhouse. Thank you, Year 3.